Hey guys, welcome to Jack Videos. We are at the beach today. It is a nice, beautiful day. The sky's perfect. It's clear. It's a little cold, but the sun is out, so it feels kind of warm, right?
Yeah, it feels a little warm.
A little warm. And it's not windy, so we're not freezing. But we have the remote-controlled boat here today, and we're going to take it out and test it on the water. Jack's gonna drive it, and I'm gonna film it. You ready?
Yep.
You guys ready? Hit like if you're ready. Heading over to the water. There's this little area here. I wonder if there's any fish and stuff in there. Oh, I think Jack's gonna walk across it. Hope he doesn't fall in because it would be cold.
Wait, I want to watch the water for a minute.
I'm gonna walk across it.
We go all the way over to there.
Whoa.
I need the balance.
There goes Jack. It's kind of hard with my water boots on. I made it.
It's kind of easy with mine.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to balance.
Cool.
We're gonna go do the boat.
We're gonna go do the boat. There's the water. The tide is way out. Normally all that dark colored sand is covered with water, but right now it's not. Here's a little fire pit where you can rent this and have a bonfire.
What's this?
Oh, look at all the little bird feet in the sand.
Is it a bonfire? Oh my god, it's a bonfire.
Yeah, it's where someone had a fire. You can rent this and have a fire. You have to bring your own wood. It's cool, huh?
Wow, that's cool. I think they just gathered this wood from the beach.
They might. Yeah, there was always a little bit of seawood here. You ready to head out there? Oh.
Oh, look at that little baby.
Oh yeah, one landed right there.
Oh,
They're so cute. They're flying all around.
Let's go chase them.
Jack's gonna go chase them. We were walking to the beach and we came across something and I thought it was alive, but it's not. It's a dead horseshoe crab. Right there. It's not alive.
These are little particles or something?
Yeah, I think those are like barnacles or something on its shell.
Yeah.
There's a stinger. Here, Jack, hold this. I'm gonna lift it up and see what it looks like underneath. Maybe there's like a fish or something living under it.
Isn't it? Lift it all the way like this, okay?
There it's.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa. It's dead. It's like the skeleton of it. Wow. Okay, I'll put it back. Alright, we are getting ready to turn the boat on. I'm gonna set it in the water and I'll count to 3 and then you can start it.
Yeah, and then watch out for the bag.
Yeah, the bag might blow away.
Yeah.
We don't want that to happen. Alright, I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There's the boat. Whoa, Jack! Whoa! So cool!
Like that?
Yeah, bring it over here. Woo! That's so cool. When it turns, it goes up on its side. Go! Woo! Here it comes! Woo! I love these water boots because I can go in the water and stay dry. My feet are completely dry. Whoa! That was awesome, Jack.
I remember whenever you told me when I was in the sand to stop it.
That's right. When it gets into the sand, we have to stop it so the propellers don't pick up all in the sand.
Right.
I'm seeing something over there in the distance that I kind of want to check out. I have a suspicion what it might be, and I think we're gonna pause on the boat and go check this out over here. See if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, not really, but we're gonna go over there and check that out. All right, guys, we were walking and we found this horseshoe crab. It's huge.
Yeah.
And it's like, it has all of its spikes there and stuff. And it looks like it has some hair on it, or that's more spikes. I don't know. And the tail, let's lift it up and see if there's anything under it, because it is so big. Oh my God, it has its legs in there. Ugh. Whoa.
Scared.
That freaked me out. I did not expect to see that, because all the other ones we have seen haven't been whole. Whoa.
Can I go and see if there's another one?
Yeah,
Wait,
we've seen some out in the water. Go check.
I'm gonna see.
These are related to spiders. That is so freaky looking. Is that hair on it? I think it has like, it does. They have hair. Wow. That's crazy. Ew, its body, this is how its body like crunches up. Whoa.
Guys, what, guys?
What?
I found
You
another-
found another one? Whoa. Does that have legs too?
Yeah. Well, not his whole legs. Let's see if that one is the daddy, okay?
Oh yeah, this one's way bigger. Hold them next to each other.
Let's set them down, okay?
Okay.
And see if they're bigger.
All right, let's set them down. Oh yeah.
He's the daddy.
Yeah. This one is way bigger. And it has like lots of hair. I didn't know horseshoe crabs had hair. Well, I guess some spiders have hair. Whoa, that's crazy.
He's cracking.
Ugh. All right, we made it here. And I think that what we're seeing here, this pipe, goes to the one at the beach. It was the grate with all the fish on it that said goes to the waterways. I think this is where it comes out at.
I think it leads to the park.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I think that this like connects to the park or wherever grates are like the park.
There's handles on it.
It has handles on it? Yeah. I wish I could see inside of there. There's an even bigger one down there. It's even bigger than this one. It's cool.
There's birdies over there.
Yeah, there's birds in the water. Such a nice day. I love how the water looks all sparkly. Magical. Oh, almost got stuck.
Pussy.
You're riding a little horse.
These can be the little wee dinosaur.
I think this is exactly what the tunnels look like in those grates. That's pretty cool.
My boot fits down here.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa. This goes over to here and over to there. Oh, your boots are so washed off. I'm just gonna watch.
Do you want to walk down to that big one?
Look, I can't even see my boots.
Oh, they're in the water.
Hi.
Jack,
Huh?
do you want to walk down to that big pipe down there?
Oh yeah, get the bag.
Okay. Okay, we made it here, and wow, this pipe is way bigger than the one that we just came from. Look and see. Whoa, it's huge. I think Jack could probably fit inside of it.
Yeah, it's so dark in there.
Is it?
Yeah, come on, guys. Look.
Whoa. Whoa.
Can I go a little bit inside of there?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little.
Not too much. Okay, Tommy.
I wish we had a flashlight.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Whoa.
Hello. Is anybody in there?
It goes under here. probably goes under the road.
Whoa.
Whoa. You're on top of the tunnel.
I'm bigger than you. Hey guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Jack Videos. We just wanted to say that we're gonna end this video. I think the next video we're gonna do is a sand challenge where we bury stuff in the sand and then see who can find all of it the fastest.
You see my penguin hat?
Yeah, we love Jack's penguin hat. Bye, see y'all later.
Woo!